Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Live Vision. Today we have iPhone 11 Pro Max, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record the screen recording. Does iPhone 11 Pro Max have a screen recording? Yes, it does. So you can record the screen from here. If you can't find the icon here to record the screen, you can enable that screen recorder option in the control center. So how to get it? You need to get into the settings. In the settings you can see the control center. There is a control center on here. Just click on control center. These are the included controls that shows you on the control center. When you drag it down, this menu, you can see this camera, calculator, and the time and the torchlight. These are the default apps. You get it by the Apple, but anyway, you have to now from the control center you can find screen recording. I'm just going to press the plus button. As you can see that included controls, you have screen recording option also. So if you drag it down, you can see the screen recorder option is also here, and as you press on it, it's recording the screen at the moment. As you can see, the small recording timer is started here, and then you can see, you can click on it. It will ask you to screen recording, stop screen recording or not. So you can stop the screen recording if you wanna stop the screen recording, and you can start the screen recording from here. At the moment it's started recording my screen, and that's how you record your screen on iPhone 11 Pro Max. And thanks for watching.